Detachable 1U rack design, versatile space-saving 1U form factor rack mount power strip ideal for standard 19-inch racks. Detachable mounting flanges are configurable for rack mount, wall mount and under-counter installation. Flexible rear outlets, 3 wide-spaced front panel outlets and 16 flexible rear-facing power cable outlet plugs allowing room for AC adapters and transformers. Integrated USB port for convenient simultaneous power supply to all your favorite devices. Premium safety features, integrated switched front panel AC outlet, plastic cover encased power switch. Built-in 15-amp circuit breaker prevents dangerous circuit overloads damaging equipment, shutting off AC input when load draws too much power. 15 FT power cable, provide power supply distribution to previously unpowered areas away from power sources with an extra long 15 feet power cord, and power applications, or locations that require power, to many devices simultaneously. 110/240ths of a volt, for worldwide usage. Optimized for reliable distribution of alternate waveform AC power from a UPS system, generator or utility wall outlet to put you in control of getting reliable power service where you need it most. Top reviews from the United States. There are configurations for which this Pyle PDU is a brilliant choice. If you need something like this, it's a great product. Having said that, if you don't need it, definitely don't buy it. The flexibility provided by the per-outlet mini cords is extremely useful, but they take up a lot of space, much more so than you might imagine from looking at the product picture. What I found in my server rack was that this PDU by itself, before even plugging anything into it, just took up a disastrous amount of space, like a kid with overcrowded teeth. But again, if that doesn't bother you, this is pretty unique as far as PDUs go, and definitely a great choice if you've got lots of devices with large AC adapters, etc. Also worth noting, the per-outlet cords are heavy-duty and seem well designed for having AC adapters hanging off of them.